What's up, everybody? It's your girl Brianna Christie, and I'm back at you with another video. And today we are going to be getting into this wig OMG. So if you're a newbie, hi, I'm Brianna Christine. If you like what I'm bringing to you, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel and put that post notification bell on. This way every time I post a new video, you know what time it is and you know to come right back here with your girl. And if you've been here before and you've been rocking with me, baby, thank you so much. I love you very much. Thank you for coming back to this content. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. So it's been a while since I have done a wig review on my channel. I want to say it's been like 2 years or something like that, but you know, everybody always comes to me and be like, what did you do to your hair? What is that? Who is that? Blah, 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 all that good stuff. So I figured, let me go ahead and stop slacking and come back with these wig reviews and make sure y'all know what the tea really is. So today we are going to be reviewing Outre Neesha 201 in the color Cinnamon Spice, and it's also known as DRFF2/Cinnamon Spice. So she also comes in a whole bunch of other colors. So let's go ahead and look at her card. This is her card, and as you see, there is an array of colors. A lot of the beautiful ladies here on YouTube have already reviewed those colors for you, so you can go ahead and I'm pretty sure you can find any color. But today your girl is rocking the Neesha 201 in the color Cinnamon Spice. I was so excited to try this color on my complexion. I love my chocolate complexion, and I love to see if anything besides the 1B, the 2, and the 1 is going to be on and popping for your girl's skin tone. And OMG, is it giving you life or not? Okay, so Neesha 201 does retail for about $27, but if you want to get any of the special colors, that is a $2 upgrade or extra charge, so it's about $29 and some change. So pretty much, let's round up, it's a $30 wig. Okay, y'all, this is $30. It is giving me texture, honey. And a lot of people don't like Neesha, but then a lot of people do like Neesha. So if you're not into, you know, the volume, it's not going to be for you. I can definitely see this getting to be a bit much if you are out in the summer, or if you're out at some type of event or something like that and you dancing, or it's just a lot of people in there. I can see you definitely getting hot in this, so keep that in mind. So it goes right above, it looks like where my breast is, like right here, whatever this area is. It does have some layers in it, so as you see, so she is a middle part wig, but I am going to show y'all what it looks like on the side. I do have a widow's peak, so I like to see if, you know, I can rock my wig on the side as well, or if it looks good on the front. And surprisingly, it looks good in the front. You don't see my widow's peak, but I am going to show y'all what the wig looks like to the side. Alright, y'all, and as promised, this is the wig in a side part. So this is what it would look like if we did it on this side. And it really looks like the wig came like this. So, like, that's poppin'. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like if we were to shift this wig to the right. Looks like the wig purposely is made to be like this, so it's versatile in the fact of you can wear it on the left side, right side, or the middle side. I don't know about doing any updos and all that extra shenanigans. If you want to try it out, you can be my guest and let me know down in the comments if it worked out for you or not, because I am here for it. I'm in love with it, y'all. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Go ahead and y'all can get a little 360 action. So this is what the front looks like. This is the side. This is the other side. Let's go ahead and show you the back. Big head friendly, for one. Now, when it comes to us little pea head shaped baby dolls like myself, you will have to strap that baby down to the tightest that you could get it. And I did actually have to put it over my ear, as you see. But then strangely enough, it doesn't cover like my edges. I have sideburns, I got a widow's peak, and my edges come down far. So like, don't take that into consideration if you don't have that. Most likely it'll cover. As far as the shedding, I haven't had any shedding. I haven't had any tangling. My hands are able to go through it, but then again, keep in mind, don't go crazy with going through the hair, because I'm just assuming, because this hair has a lot of volume, the more you play with it, the bigger it gets. I'm just assuming that it's kind of like, you know, when you have curly hair and like the heat and you're playing with it and it just gets bigger, bigger, bigger. If you want to maintain this look and make sure that your wig doesn't get out of hand where you can't, you know, use it, it's like a one-time thing. Don't be going crazy putting your hands up in it. Don't be letting your man get a little wicked wild with you in this wig and then it was just a one-time show. So be careful with the running through the hand. Did not pluck or anything like that. I literally just cut the lace off. I cut it as close as I possibly could. And that part is looking laid, okay? Like, that is looking good. And I didn't do anything with baby hairs or anything like that because I knew that I was just gonna wear it like this. And I just didn't want to do the most, okay, y'all? But if you want to go ahead and do that, you could go ahead and slick this baby doll to the wheels fall off, okay? So you could wear this, you know, for a special occasion, casual, whatever. The color is sending me. This is probably perfect for like any holiday look. You know, the holidays is coming up. Even though we quarantine, maybe you just want to be cute for pictures. Maybe you want to be just cute for yourself. Or maybe you want to just hold this on the shelf for when we could go back outside. All right, so the pros are the color for sure. The length is perfect. It's not too short. It's not too long. We are feeling this. We are loving this. There's not a lot of extra curls, so if you wanted to bump this a little bit more, you could because it's heat resistant. And if you wanted to straighten it a little bit more, you could because it's heat resistant. This texture is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna be wearing this wig. I'm gonna be wearing this wig, y'all, because of the fact that this is definitely big head friendly. I do have to wear the wig over my ears, so that could definitely be uncomfortable if after a while I'm wearing this wig and I'm just out all day, all night. The comfortability of the wig could possibly be an issue, but you know, that's what we used to, right? You want to be popping and you just gotta take the L. All right, y'all, so what y'all think? Let me know in the comment section what you think of this color, what you think of this wig, and how you feel about me bringing back some wig reviews for y'all on this channel. Again, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit that bell to make sure that every time your girl, Brianna Christine, posts a new video, you know what time it is. Don't forget to share this with all your mamas, your baby mamas, your daddies, your grandmamas, and your besties. And make sure they come and watch this video as well. Of course, I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.